So about 2 weeks ago, we had a little incident with the scope on the range. It kind of went out of focus. Well, we got a new scope on the rifle. We're out here at Silverdale. We were at FOC, the Firearms Outlet Canada, yesterday at the Vortex event. Picked up a new scope, had it mounted. We're going to see how she does. There we go. First 5 rounds. Top left is what I'm shooting at.
Say that again?
Top left. So we're done on the range. We shot, as you saw, we shot 4 different types of ammo, just trying to see what the grouping would be like. We'll take a look at it now. This is the first ammo we shot, the cellular and bellow. You can see here that while aiming dead center, the rounds all ended up in this area here. So she was fine left to right, but we got a bit of a spread up and down. The second ammunition we shot was the Federal Power Shock, and 3 of the rounds ended up here. 2 more of them were just down off the bottom of the paper here. So again, we're looking at about a 1, 2, 3, 4-inch group. By no means am I the best shot with a scoped rifle, but I was trying to see how the ammo would react and what kind of different things we'd have. Third set of ammo was the Hornady Custom. These 2 rounds were from the Federal Power Shock. Here's the rounds from the Hornady Custom, again low. There's the group. The last one was just below the page, down about here. So you can see again 1, 2, 3, 4.5 to 5-inch spread. Again, that may be more myself than the ammo. But when we get to the Federal Match King, you'll see here it was a tighter group. So 1, 2, 3, 3.5 inches that way, and about the same this way. Bit tighter, better quality ammo apparently, at least the most expensive of the stuff we were shooting. So I think what I'm going to do is going to go back to 100. This was all shot at 200 yards. I'm going to go back to the 100. We're going to concentrate on the 100, see how we do, improve our skills. Again, this is the first time I've shot using a scope like this, so it's going to be a learning curve, and it's going to be fun. We're out here on the range at Silverdale. I want to thank Silverdale for allowing us to film our shoot here today. I want to thank Firearms Outlet Canada and Vortex Optics for yesterday, the dealer day they put on, and the installation of the scope. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.